We've all seen those videos on YouTube about how I went from $0 to $1 million in 2 weeks, and how I beat the algorithm, and how I bought this palatial mansion castle thing with AdSense money. Really? Well, this is one of those videos. Well, almost. And right now I can proudly say that I'm earning an average of $2 a day, and all this in 8 long, fruitless, depressing, dark years. What a mug. Now $2 doesn't sound like much, really, does it? But when you factor in it's New Zealand dollars, that doesn't go very far at all, let me tell you. Add in the fact that I've spent a small fortune putting these videos together over the years. My business model makes Rachel Reeves look like a financial guru. So if this is not for the fame, certainly not for the money, why on God's green earth do I keep doing this? That is a very good question. Progression and legacy, that's why. Over the years and hundreds of videos I've made, even I, as daft as I am, can see that I've progressed. And that small incremental progression keeps me wanting to progress more progressively. Yeah. I can literally see that I've got better. And believe it or not, I'm learning all the time. Fair enough, I'm a slow learner. 8 years, I mean, come on. As for legacy, I'm leaving something behind. Something for my kids, my grandkids, their kids. You're welcome. You see, I would have loved to have sat down on YouTube and watched my dad, my granddad, his granddad, the whole malarkey. I'd have loved to watch them, see how they lived in their day. And aside from all that, the top and bottom is this: I just love creating content for YouTube. I don't only use YouTube to create, I use it to consume. I watch everything on YouTube. If I don't know how to do something, I consult YouTube and I learn. So my number one piece of advice to all small YouTube content creators: just keep at it. The rewards will probably never ever come. I mean, to be honest, I mean, look at me, 8 years in, the cost of a small coffee, the embarrassment of talking to camera when somebody goes by you, that's priceless. And on my current stratospheric meteoric rise in wealth, I should reach financial freedom when I'm about 344 years old. But I'm still here and I'm still enjoying. That's the key. I'm still enjoying for the most part. So chin up, fellow small channelists. If you're struggling with your channel, replace the word struggle with progression and legacy and enjoyment. If you get incredibly lucky, you might end up getting $2 a day like me. I mean, come on, $2 a day. That's like $14 a week. Yeah, which equates to $28 a fortnight. Whew. That's even more a month. Lots more a month.